How to wash a futon mattress. The futon is no longer just a choice for a college dorm or first apartment piece of furniture. The futon mattress began as a traditional style of bedding in Japan but has evolved into a stylish, convertible piece of furniture. A futon mattress is a versatile and practical addition to any home, providing both seating and sleeping solutions. However, with regular use, your futon mattress can accumulate dirt, stains, and odors. Futons need to be cleaned regularly to prevent the buildup of dirt and debris. To clean your futon, vacuum and deodorize it and then remove any spots. Stains can be lifted using a combination of household products. In this guide, we'll explore how to clean and wash a futon mattress, ensuring that you can keep your futon in top shape for years to come. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to spot cleaning, removing stains, and keeping a futon clean. Now let's talk about the process. Method 1. Spot cleaning. Number 1. Vacuum your futon. To start, give your futon a good vacuuming to remove loose dirt, hair, and other debris. Make sure to unfold your futon first. Run the vacuum over the futon. Use an upholstery brush if necessary to get into cracks and crevices. Flip the futon over and do the same to the other side. Number 2. Deodorize your futon. Futons start to smell over time, so make a point of deodorizing your futon when cleaning it. To deodorize your futon, sprinkle baking soda over the unfolded mattress. Let it sit for about an hour, then use the vacuum again to remove the baking soda. Number 3. Get rid of any spots. If you notice any spots on the futon when cleaning it, use a damp washcloth, mild laundry detergent, and warm water to gently blot them out. Do not use too much water, as too much moisture can cause mildew. Most stains will lift with simple detergent and water. Make sure to test your cleaning solution on a small portion of the futon first to make sure your detergent does not cause damage like discoloration. Number 4. Clean and examine the frame. While you're cleaning the futon, you should also work on cleaning the frame. While the mattress is removed from its frame, dust the frame with a commercial dusting solution. Metal frames, however, should only be wiped down with a damp cloth. Test any solution you use on a small portion of the frame first to make sure it doesn't damage the futon. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Removing stains. Number 1. Blot out as much of the stain as you can. When a stain is not lifted through conventional methods, first work to blot out as much of the stain as you can. It's best to address stains the moment they occur. If you notice, say, pet urine or something spilled on the futon, immediately lay paper towels or a sponge over the spot. Press down on them to remove as much of the stain as possible. Take care to use a blotting, pressing and lifting motion rather than rubbing the stain. If you rub on it, the stain could spread and become more set into the fabric. Number 2. Add a vinegar/water mixture to the mattress. Mix a solution of half white vinegar and half water in a tub or bucket. Pour enough of the solution over the stain to cover it completely. For urine stains, use an enzyme cleaner as an alternative to vinegar and water. If your mattress has mold or mildew stains, mix equal parts water and rubbing alcohol and pour that over the stain. You can also use this mixture as a mold/mildew preventative if your mattress gets damp. Number 3. Add baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. After adding the vinegar/water mixture to the stain, sprinkle baking powder over the stain. Then, mix a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, of 3% hydrogen peroxide with a teaspoon, 5 milliliters, of dishwashing detergent. Pour this over the stain. Let the solution sit on the stain for 15 minutes. Number 4. Clean the stain with a paper towel. After 15 minutes have passed, blot the mattress again with a paper towel. Keep blotting until you've worked out much of the vinegar, water, soap, and baking soda. As you blot out your cleaning solutions, the stain should lift. If the stain does not lift with this method, you may want to consult professional cleaners. Number 5. Let the mattress dry. Avoid using the mattress until it's completely dry when using this method. If you allow the mattress to air dry, this can take up to a day. You can try using hair dryers to speed up the process. If possible, let some sun shine on the mattress to help it dry faster. Number 6. Vacuum the mattress. After the stain dries, run a vacuum over the mattress. This will get rid of any excess baking soda. Your mattress should be clean and odor-free. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Keeping a futon clean. Number 1. Place a cover over the futon. Invest in a futon cover to keep your futon clean. You can buy a cover online or at a local department store. The cover should protect the futon from stains and spills. You should wash your futon cover with your laundry a few times a month. Number 2. Air out the mattress on occasion. If you use a cover, do not leave it on your futon all the time. When cleaning the futon, remove the cover for an hour before you begin cleaning. This will give the futon a chance to air out. Number 3. Avoid placing your futon on the floor. If at all possible, use a frame for your futon. The closer your futon is to the floor, the more susceptible it is to dirt and debris. If you keep your futon on the floor, you will have to clean it more often. Number 4. Turn the mattress on occasion. To prevent a futon from sagging, flip it once every month or so. This will prevent any of the stuffing from becoming too worn out. When you first get a futon, it's a good idea to flip it more often. Flip a new futon about once a week instead of once a month. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. How to keep your futon clean. 1. Vacuum regularly. This will help to remove any dust or dirt that has accumulated on the surface of the mattress. Be sure to vacuum both sides of the futon, as well as in between the folds, if it is a foldable model. 2. Spot clean spills immediately. As with any type of fabric, dealing with spills quickly is always a good idea. That way, they won't have time to set in and stain the surface. 3. Invest in a waterproof mattress protector. If your futon mattress is made of fabric, it's a good idea to invest in a waterproof mattress protector. These are relatively inexpensive and will help protect your futon from spills and other accidents. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.